Hello everyone. In this particular video, we are going to take a look at functions in JavaScript. Now, everybody would have heard that bookish definition, that is, functions are a block of code that perform a specific task assigned. So in this particular video, we are going to practically see that. We are practically going to prove that definition, that how do we write a function and how it is very useful to us. So let's get to our editor. Over here, I've just pre-written an HTML page, a very basic HTML page that only does one thing. It has a hello world printed in h1 tag and there is a button. Now, what do I want to do over here is that when the button gets clicked, I want to change the color of the h1 tag to red, which is by default black in HTML. So in my script tags, I'll firstly declare a function. You need to, for declaring a function, you write function and then space the name of the function, which is going to be change color, and I'll just end it. And inside the curly braces, what I'll do is I'll select the hello world h1 tag. For that, I'll say document dot query selector, select the h1 tag dot style dot color equals to red, and I'll just end this. This is what the function has to do, nothing much. On the button, I'll now what I'm going to do is that I'll put an on click property to our button tag over here, and I'll add on click equals, and over here I'll just write the change color function and just give, and I just save it. So let's run this and see what do we get. So I am on the web page right now, and as we can see, we have hello world and the change color button, and when I click this button, the color changes to hello world, which is the color changes to red of the hello world tag. So this is how you can use functions. You can directly pass functions as a parameter to your on click property. Now this was a very basic example that I took, that we just changed a particular color, but you can do a lot with it. I can also add an alert tag over here, let's say that, which gives us a message that button is clicked, and I'll just give it a save. And if I'll rerun this page, then I see that firstly I get an alert that button is clicked, and after I click OK, the color changes up. So there are a lot of things that you can do with functions. You can put the logic into the functions according to your requirement. So this was a very basic example to how you can get started with functions. Hope you understood this video. Thank you.